Hey, what's up everybody? Rob here. You're watching Man vs. Din, hence the stupid f***ing hat. This is the show where I make things that I see on the internet, and I saw this the other goddamn day. Somebody made a deep fried mozzarella pickle stick. Get the f*** out of town. It spawned the thought process for the rest of this video, and I said, f*** it, I'm just gonna make pickle shit. As you know, there are 3 courses on this show, the first one being the alcoholic appetizer. I'm not gonna lie to you, it's not dinner time. It's actually the middle of the afternoon, about 2:30 on a Wednesday. So let's get this fucking party started. Here are your ingredients. Whiskey, some spicy pickle juice. This right here is what you call a pickleback, where you take a shot of whiskey and you wash it back with a shot of pickle juice. Woo! You ready? Yeah, there you go. Like a champ. Pickle juice right after. I know, it sounds crazy, but it tastes great. Course number 1, finished. Course number 2, the entree. It's more like an appetizer, depending on how many of them you eat. First step, get yourself a giant pickle. This used to be a cucumber. Did you know that? I didn't. And then next, I'm just taking this this core here. I don't know what the f this thing is, but just you stick that through here. Let's take that thing out. Now you got a hole in your pickle. Now you just take some string cheese and you just insert it. Boom. Seems like it's a little big there. Very loose. That's what she said. Starting this fucking thing again. Grab your pickle. And I've got like this straw. I'm just gonna start hollowing out the middle. Get at least a finger in there. Holy shit. That pickle just fucking took it. Now you make a couple more of these. Looking good so far. You know what, actually I'm gonna take this pickle right here, the one that I cut the hole too big. I'm gonna stuff it with some other shit. I'm gonna put some fucking chicken in it. Maybe put some ranch in it, make some pate. I'm gonna make a goddamn chicken pickle. A chickle! Take it. God damn it. Boom. Chicken pickle. This is all the stuff that you need. And of course, a deep fryer. Oh god damn it, I just unplugged it. First thing, you throw your pickle in some flour. Make sure you got a nice coat on there. Goddamn Pickle Rick over here. Pickle Rick! Then throw in some eggs. I'm using some fried chicken breader from the regional. This is gonna be delicious. Here's that chicken pickle. Boom, watch this. Oh yeah, that is something. I don't know what. First up, a mozzarella fried pickle stick. You ready? Woo! There it goes. How long do you keep those things in there? I don't know, until you think they're done. That's the answer. Maybe not the one you were looking for, but welcome to the show. I don't know, what do you think? I'm saying we go for it. And there we have it. That's something special. We're going for another one here. Take this little chicken pickle out, put that in. Uh-oh, I think we've had a breach. Cheese busted open somewhere. Can't wait, I can't wait. Ooh, ooh. You gotta go for it. You gotta fucking take the pain. Ow. Hot. Oh my god, that is fucking delicious. Oh, look at that cheesy, pickly inside. That is something. Oh, I dropped it in the egg. All right, now the chicken pickle, I'm actually pretty excited about. Oh, that's the one. These mozzarella sticks. Oh my god, you gotta try it. Look at that. Still hot, still hot. I'm just gonna tongue it to you. Here, fucking chicken pickle. Yeah, I know. You know what that needs? To the chicken pickle. God damn it. Whew. In review, they're real fucking hot. The skins come off of them too easily because they're fucking pickles. From one mess to the next, we're making some pickle cupcakes.
What messes are you making in here?
What?
Did you make any for us?
No.
What?
Sorry. All right, now for these pickle cupcakes, you're gonna need to read some things, step by step, some shit out. Fucking baking, it's not easy. It sucks. Probably won't turn out, but we're gonna try. Look at that. That is some pickle batter. For fun, I'm using some green paper inserts here. God damn it. Yeah, like I was saying, throw these in there. Boom. And now you just want to take some of this and put it into some of these. I'm not sure how much you fill them up. That's something we're gonna have to learn together. It says to put a 1/4 cup in there, but I don't know what that is. Into the oven they go, 350 degrees, 20 minutes.
20 minutes later.
Oh, all right, here they are. All of them are pretty, almost ready. Goddamn oven mitt bullshit. All right, here we go. Still hot, still hot, still hot. Do the little toothpick test here. Clean. We're ready. We just gotta let these things cool. Chill the fuck out. And while that happens, we're gonna make some pickle frosting. It starts with taking another pickleback shot. Boom. Let's make some frosting. All right, now in this bowl, you need to add your butter. You need to add your cream cheese. You need to whip that shit up and then throw in the powdered sugar. Jesus Christ. It's at this point in the recipe that it actually calls for a little bit more bourbon. Awesome. A pinch of salt, and then you mix it back up. What do you think? Throw some frosting into this frosting tube over here. We got it. We're ready. Oh shit, that does not look bad. What? Get out of here. Hold on, this is some fucking thumbnail shit right here. Wait, I gotta get a pickle slice now? Oh shit. This just fucking turned into something. That looks just like the fucking picture. Play some fucking music, some dramatic fucking music for it, because that is a seriously good looking fucking pickle cupcake. We did it! Here we go. Take it off. Take it off. Oh. Come on, I mean, you guys, this is a pretty big fucking deal. Ha! You get it? Fuck you, deal with it. So this is it. This has got pickles fucking everywhere. Pickles in the batter, pickles in the frosting, pickles on top. I don't know what to do. It's real bad. I know what to do. Oh god, you know what it is? It's like the cream cheese in the frosting. Oh god, you think that it ends and it doesn't and it just gets worse. Here, taste it, taste it. You gotta do it for the sake of the show. Oh god, I know. I know, it's terrible. So many layers. So many layers. Oh, the pickle on top. Oh, don't do that. That's not good. It's not a fucking hamburger. Don't put the pickle on top. It's just for garnish. Oh, I don't know. I'll tell you what, I do know. I really liked pickles before today. Something just happened. Something just changed me. Let me tell you what we've learned here today. Pickle backs, solid. Mozzarella fried pickles, not so much. Chicken fucking pickles, yes. Pickle cupcakes can go fuck themselves. Absolutely not. Don't do it to yourself. I don't suggest it. Don't make them for friends, families, or loved ones, unless you hate them. Let me know if you have any other future suggestions for Man vs. Din down in the comments below. I'm open to fucking anything, you know? I get weird up in this kitchen. Like up this video, it's a thumbs up button. It's fucking right down there. And while you're down there, it would mean a great deal to me if you subscribed. I've been lying to people and telling them that we have 4 million subscribers when the truth is we really have 3,897,000. I'm a goddamn liar. Please, help me fix that. I'll see you around here next time, whatever that is. I hope you'll be here. I'll be here. We'll all be here. Mm-hmm.